Hello zebras, let's sing our alphabet song. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Great. Now, when we sing the alphabet song, we say A, B, C, D. Those are the names of the letters. Okay? Those are the names of the letters. What we are learning are the sounds of the letters. And we have come along very far. We have already learned 4 sounds. And we're going to go over our 4 sounds today. So what I'm going to do, I'm first going to show you my card, my flashcard, and then we're going to practice writing the sound down on my chalkboard. So the first sound we learned was S, S for strawberry, S for swimming. Lots of words that begin with the sound S. And this is how we wrote it. Let me grab some chalk, yellow. Now the sound S, you start right there at the top, and it moves like a snake. So we're going to go up, round, down, a big stomach, and stop right there. Everyone, fingers right here. Let's move together. We go up, down, round, a big stomach, and stop right there. That is the sound S for snake. The second sound we learned, first I want to rub that off. Where is my duster? Hold on zebras, don't go anywhere, I'll be right back. I'm back. So that is the sound S. Okay, let me clear the board and we move on to the next sound. The next sound we learned was A. A for apple. A for aeroplane. A for ants. Ants, ants, ants on my arm. Okay, that is the action for the sound A. And now I will write it on the board. Again, we start at the top. And this sound, it goes round. You stop there. You go up, straight down, and a little flick. Do you see that? Let me use some more, a different piece of chalk. Let's do that again. Start at the top. You go round, down, stop right there. Next we will go up, straight down, and flick. And that is the sound A. Let's practice with our fingers. We're going to go round, down, stop, straight up, straight down, and a little flick. Let me try get that off with some tissue. That's better. Okay, the third sound we learned was this one. T, 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 t. For tortoise. For train. T, t, t. For tennis. A very easy sound to write. Okay, we start right at the top. There's my dot. We're going to go down. Oops, my chalk broke. We're going to go down, round, a little flick there, and cut the T. Let's do that again. Use another chalk. Start at the top. We go down, a little curve right there and we cut the t. Now with our fingers, go down, round, and then we cut the t. That is how we do it. T, t. And earlier this week, we learned another sound. Who can remember what sound that was? E. E for ink. E for Inky the mouse. E for insect. E for igloo. Okay? And who knows what an igloo is? An igloo is a little house made of blocks of ice. So it must be very cold inside there. That is our sound, E. Let's do that on the board. Very easy. One of the easiest sounds, okay? You start at the top. There's my starting dot. You go straight down and you put a dot at the top. Can you see that, zebras? That's better, okay? Let's do that again. Start at the top. You go straight down and put a dot at the top. Make sure your dot is nice and big and can be seen. So let's use our fingers right there. We go straight down and then we put a dot at the top. And that is the sound E. Those are our 4 sounds. E for igloo, T for tortoise, A for apple, and S for strawberry. Yummy! And we're now going to go over the numbers we have done. We did the number 1 and the number 2. So easy. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. And they're also very simple to write. 1 is easy. It's just a straight line down. So simple. Do that again. A straight line down. There's the number 1. And number 2 is also simple, a little different. We start right here on the side. We go round, down, and across. You see that? I need to make it a little darker. We go round, down, and across. Fingers, everyone. Round, down, and across. That is our number 2. That's it, zebras. Those are the sounds and numbers we have done so far. What everyone has to do is in their learning packs, I don't have my paper here, unfortunately. You will find this sound, the sound T. Okay? You will stick it up somewhere or put it on your table. Take your paint and your paintbrush and trace the sound T, T, T. And remember, you start at the top, you go down, across, and you cut it. And if you have already done that, you will find this sound. This is the sound E. E for igloo. Okay? You do the same thing. You take your paintbrush and you will form the sound E. You go straight down and you put a dot on it. Now, zebras, I don't want you to forget these sounds, so always think about them and look for things that begin with all the sounds we have learned. Bye, zebras. See you soon.